What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to create a cartoon illustration of the Grinch. Let's begin today's lesson at the top of our page with the bottom edge of the brow. Let's leave a small gap in the center. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes out and then up. Let's line up the inside over on the right and do the same thing. Let's curl up the inside of the brow, starting on the left, come in and up. Do the same thing on the right. Let's bend down the side of the eyebrow, going around and then down. And curve this around and then in towards the top. Let's add another point along the top, going up and down. And go up toward the top of the eyebrow, bend this down, and then pull that in towards the inside of the brow. Now we're going to tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. Let's start on the left side, curve the eye going all the way around towards the bottom, and just pull that up on the inside. Now let's tuck the iris and pupil underneath. Starting on the left, draw a small half circle. Do the same thing on the right. Add a smaller half circle in the center for the pupil. And we'll fill those in black. Let's add a fold underneath the eyes. Starting on the left, coming down and out. Now I'm going to move to the center and draw on the nose. Let's start with the bottom edge. Start with a curve coming down and up. Now go to the left side, curve around towards the top of the nose and back in on the right. Let's come all the way down towards the bottom and draw the mouth coming out towards the left side. Starting from the center of our page, bend this up towards the left, and then bend that down. Let's add a bracket underneath the left side. Let's move out and draw the side of the head. From the left eye, we'll step out, curve this out, and then down. Line this up on the right, going out and down. Let's add some fur. Just pull this in with a short line, come around the side of the head, and then in. Now let's add another point of hair, going up and in. I'm going to curve this down towards the bottom of the head. Let's start on the left. Come down, and then in towards the middle. Go across, and then up towards the right. Now I'm going to move back up and close off the side of the head. From this point, let's step out, curve around the eyebrow, and bend that in. Let's connect the ends with a curve going up the middle, and then back down. Let's wrap the brim of the Santa hat around the head. Starting from the left side, curve this around, up, and in. And we'll close off the top, going up the middle, and then back down. Now I'm going to flop the hat over towards the left side. We'll start on the right side of the hat brim, curve this up and across, bend that over towards the left, bend this out, and then down towards the side. Let's add a circle along the bottom, going all the way around, and then back up. Now from the top of the circle, we're going to step in, curve this up and across the head towards the top. Now on the left side, we're just going to fold this up underneath. Let's move down and wrap the scarf around the head. We're going to start on the left side, bring this down in the middle, go out and then up. Let's go to the center, draw a straight line coming down. Let's flatten off the bottom, and we'll pull that back up towards the top. Let's add some stripes inside the scarf. We're going to leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, and bend this out and then down toward the left. Move over and draw that again. Let's go over towards the right and do the same thing. Now we're going to add some stripes across the bottom. We're going to step up, draw one line, leave a gap, and continue all the way up towards the top. Now from here, I'm drawing the side of the body. Let's start underneath the scarf, curve the body coming down, and then bend that out. And then we'll round up the hip and pull that in. Now in between the hips, step in towards the center and then down, add a curve, going up and then down. And leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out, down, and then in towards the heels. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot coming down, and then up. And we'll curl up the toe, going out, and then up. Now bend the foot coming down and then in towards the ankle. So come down and just pull that up. From the ankle, we're going to go straight up and bend this out underneath the hip. So go up and then bend that out. Now to move back up and place the arms on the hip. Let's start from the top of the body. Start with a straight angle line coming down and out towards the elbows. And then from the elbow, curve the forearm coming in and then down towards the side of the body. Now I'm going to move up and draw the outside of the arm. Starting from the side of the scarf, angle this down and then out towards the elbow. Let's round up the elbow and forearm and pull this in towards the wrist. Now you want to turn the hands so the palms are facing out. Let's start from the wrist, curve the palm coming around and then in. And then we'll add in the first finger. From the bottom of the palm, draw a short line coming down and out. And we'll curl the finger, going out and then up. From the tip of the finger, I'm going to come down and then in toward the knuckle. Angle this up and in toward the side of the body. Let's layer 2 more fingers along the side. From the knuckle, we're going to step up, bend this out, up, taper that back in. Let's do that one more time. Stepping out, up towards the tip, and then tuck that in. Now I'm going to draw 2 lines along the inside of the hand on both sides. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of the Grinch. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.